Welcome to the Outpost Hotel on Sentosa Island, Singapore. This trendy adults-only hotel features contemporary design, a premium feel, and a fantastic location. But should you stay here? Let us give you a tour of the hotel and its facilities, a look at our room, and tell you everything else you need to know. Let's start with the Outpost location. The hotel is situated centrally on Sentosa Island, which is a recreational island featuring multiple beaches, a Universal Studios theme park, a water park, the Skyline Luge, one of Asia's best golf clubs, a casino, and multiple other attractions. The Outpost is around a 5 to 10 minute walk to Universal Studios and everything else at Resorts World, while the Sentosa Express monorail is 2 minutes from the hotel, and that also goes to Universal if you don't wish to walk. The Sentosa Express takes you from the beach all the way back to the mainland and the Vivo City Mall, which is connected to the MRT. While not the perfect location for exploring the city, although it's only a 15-minute drive or easily accessible via MRT, we would say the Outpost is perfectly situated for basing yourself on Sentosa Island and seeing and experiencing everything on your itinerary. The Outpost is managed by Far East Hospitality, which also runs the Village Hotel that is connected. The hotel's lobby and entrance isn't the grandest, located in the back corner of the shared parking lot between the two hotels. But once you're inside, you'll quickly forget about that. It's a small hotel with a boutique-style feel which we really enjoyed. The Village Hotel next door is much bigger and more of a family-oriented property, with the Outpost being adults only. It has a black marble theme throughout which we thought looked very classy, although it is unsurprisingly quite dark. Outpost guests are able to use the Village's facilities, which include a gym, restaurant, and multiple pools, including this huge infinity pool overlooking the Singapore Strait, which also has a swim-up style bar. It is directly connected via a walkway from the Outpost's lobby, so really easy to move between the two. The selling point of the Outpost is that it's adults only, and the Altitude Coast pool deck is the single adults-only rooftop pool, bar, and club on Sentosa Island. The rooftop area is also much quieter than the Village's pools, which we found to be far busier. The bar at Altitude Coast is quite expensive, but worth the price, thanks to a good amount of chairs and cabana-style beds overlooking the beach and sea. We felt the area looked a little tired, so could do with a repaint, but we enjoyed the music and vibe of the Altitude deck. It's great for relaxing and swimming in the daytime and drinking and chilling out in the evenings. We've stayed in both the Outpost and Village, and for couples or adult groups would definitely recommend the Outpost over the Village, as you have access to all the facilities including the rooftop. If you're a family, the Village is a great option with lots of pools to keep the kids entertained. Let's take a look at our room, but before that, it's worth mentioning guests can take up to 5 free snack items from the lobby area, like popcorn, cookies, and nuts, which we thought was a really nice touch and made for a great welcome. We were really impressed with our room at the Outpost, which was a good size, spotlessly clean, and very modern. We booked a deluxe sea view room, and we were very happy with our view out over the Singapore Strait. We had some cool artwork above the bed, and overall, everything just felt very sleek and well designed. We slept well in the comfy bed and had all we needed for a great stay, including plenty of plugs by the bed, a huge flat-screen TV, a sofa and small table, a good-sized mini fridge, tea and coffee-making facilities including an espresso machine, cups, and a safe. The room also has hanging space by the door, as well as slippers and robes plus an ironing board. The huge rainfall shower was excellent and one of the highlights of the room. It was well stocked with soaps and shampoo, while the separate WC featured a Japanese toilet. The modern sink area was also well-sized and again came with everything we needed, including a separate drinking water tap, as well as flannels and extras like dental and shaving kits. Overall, we couldn't really fault our room. It was classy, well-equipped, very clean, and great value considering we paid around $215 per night. So to conclude our full review of the Outpost Hotel, we would definitely recommend it if you're an adults-only party looking to base yourself on Sentosa Island. It's perfectly located for the beaches, Universal Studios, and Resorts World, and it has great rooms and facilities, a brilliant pool deck, and a really laid-back atmosphere. We would 100% stay again. Have you stayed at the Outpost? Or are you considering it? Let us know in the comments section. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. It really helps out the channel, and please subscribe for more honest hotel reviews and other videos from our travels. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.